Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Huawei Watch Buds 2 and Buds 1. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Display features. Huawei Watch Buds 2 comes with 1.5 inches LTPO AMOLED display, and the Buds 1 comes with 1.43 inches AMOLED display. Next, compare the battery features. Both two smartwatches comes with up to 3 days of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. Next, compare the sensor features. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe.